How to get Zoom on your MacBook computer. So in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Zoom app on your MacBook. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is just go and load up an internet browser. Now, I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can also do this in Safari as well. Now, in the search box, type in download Zoom for Mac. You could then click on this top website, which is zoom.us. And it would take you over to the download center. So if you scroll down, you can press download for Apple Silicon. Now click on your downloads folder, and here you'll see the Zoom installation file. Go in, click on this file, and then go through the steps to install this onto your Mac. So I'm going to press continue. Decide whether you want to install this for all users on your computer or just for this specific account. You can then press continue, click on install, and enter your password to your Mac computer. Once it's finished installing, close out of this window and click on move to trash. Now if you go and open up the apps on your computer, you can then use the search box to type in Zoom, and you can open up the Zoom app directly from this window here.